Dollar cost averaging into high quality growth ETFs is one of the simplest ways to become a millionaire in the stock market. And no, you're not going to do it overnight. The only way to reliably become a millionaire in stocks is to set up automatic investments and invest every single month. In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 ETFs over the last 5 years that are all trading near their 52-week lows. So this might be the perfect time to start buying these ETFs. Well, Austin, where are you getting the information for these high quality ETFs? It's not just me making this up. These are all rated silver according to Morningstar's analyst rating. And when I say the best, they have the highest 5-year returns out of all of their medalist ETFs, even though they're all down 20 to 25%. And stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you another ETF that's not included on this list that's very high quality and it actually outperforms all 5 of these ETFs. All right, so the big reveal, right? What we need to look at is not just the price return, but the total return of these stocks, right? And so now we can kind of compare these all side to side. Look at the expense ratio here, 0.04%, which this is very, very low. I mean, the difference between 0.04 and 0.07%, not a lot, right? But important to point out, IWF is 0.18%. And then here's the secret, QQQ is the ETF that has destroyed all of these, right? And so if we wanted to take a look, we can see year to date how much all of these are down, all down, 25% plus. Over the last 3 years, though, they're all up about 30%, 31%. QQQ is up 40% over the past 3 years. Over the past 5 years, QQQ is up 85%, with the IWF next in line up 72%. And then over the last 10 years, it's just destroying them. QQQ is up 359%, with the next total performance being SCHG, the next price performance being SCHG. But what we need to look at is total performance, total return, because that incorporates the dividend. And so even with that, even though the QQQ pays a lower dividend, when you include the dividend, this is what dividends do. This is what's crazy. Over 10 years, including QQQ's dividend, which has only been 0.64%, but if you look at the performance, it's up 359% 10 years. Then with just that little tiny dividend, it adds another 40% to the total return over the last 10 years, which is just insane. So QQQ is up 405%, IUSG's 294, SPYG 288, MGK 287, SCHG 299, and IWF 305. So QQQ is smashing all of these by 100%. This is why, right? It has differentiated holdings. In the top 10, you still have Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, and Alphabet, right? But this is where they differ. Nvidia's in there as well, but then you've got Pepsi, Costco, Meta. So if you thought this was valuable, you love the idea of ETF growth investing, do me a favor and like this video. It helps more people find it. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. The next video I'm gonna do is gonna be a deep dive into the QQQ ETF. So make sure you subscribe and check that out. If you wanna see a comparison I did between the monthly dividend ETF, QYLD, and SCHD, then watch this video right up here.